Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete Google search history. So you can delete your Google search history in just a few steps. So to start, open Google Chrome and click auto delete, then sign into your Google account. Next, click your profile in the top right corner, then click confirm, custom range or all time. So choose the activity to delete. You can select everything. Next, select Manage your Google account. Next, on the left side, select Data and Privacy. So here you have timeline history, play history, YouTube history. Next, under personalization and activity, select My Activity. So here you can use the search bar right here to search your activity. You can filter by date and product. So this is where you can view and manage history saved in your Google account. So choose to automatically delete activity older than account. So to delete it, click the delete button and web and app activity. Choose one of these options. You have last hour, last day, and click next. So confirm you would like to delete the following activity. Now scroll down, select delete, and that's it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. So you can go to web and app activity. So confirm by clicking delete. So this removes the selected search activity from your Google account. Now if you want Google to automatically remove old search history. Now in here, scroll down 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. Then click next.